In this video, we'll discuss if we think oil is a good short trade here for the end of the year. So this is our oil seasonality chart. This is the performance long term of the USO ETF, which has done very badly, and we think it's mostly due to the rolling costs of the futures. So this is a ETF that holds front two-month futures of oil. And we're also going to look at this mean reversion chart of oil and comment a little bit on that. So obviously you can see, in contrast to gold, by the way, which has done well at the end of the year, that this is a really significant performance here. I don't think it may just be luck, it may be random, but I don't think it is. That oil performs really badly, has done so, at least in the last couple months of the year. I don't know if this is significant or not, but if it was me, I would probably get out at least around that time. And so if you look at the mean reversion trade, so what does this mean? Essentially, the orange line is the buy the dip strategy statistically, right? You're buying only on the days where the previous day was down, and you're flat otherwise, and the blue is you buy when the previous day was up and flat otherwise. And it's quite interesting to look at some of the crisis periods. So if you remember, the oil futures actually went negative during COVID. However, if you were buying only on the rallies, which is how you would have done with this blue line, even though you had quite a dip here, you actually would have made money somehow, even though the oil futures went negative during COVID. In contrast to the equities, which equities do have done really well for the buy the dip strategy, the orange line, during the crisis periods. So, you definitely want to think about, a little bit about that before you make a decision about what you're going to do with oil. But these are just some insights into that. And, you can check a lot of charts. We have thousands of seasonality charts, mean reversion charts on here that you can use to determine if you think the trade should be taken or not. Thanks.